Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Discord app on your mobile phone. To uninstall your Discord app, all you have to do is long press on the app, and after you long press on the app, you will be able to see some options. Now choose the option uninstall. Once you choose the option, click on OK, and after a few seconds your app will be uninstalled from your phone. So that is how easily you can uninstall Discord on your mobile. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.